Hello everybody. I would like to show you how to fill and sign PDF document. You can choose any PDF document, right click, open with, preview, then move to the right place and then choose this button, sign, iPhone or iPad. I have nearby also iPad, therefore I can choose with the iPhone or iPad. Choose iPhone. It will show you on your iPhone, and then you can see it will show you on your screen. Done. I can choose this one and pick on the right place. Then you can fill the document with the text. Move it right place. Today is 9th January 2022. You can choose maybe also with the title. Again, choose this one. Title, contract, document, and move it to the right place. And then you can choose file, save, and that's all. You can open the document on any tool, Acrobat Reader, and as you see, the document is signed and filled, right? Yeah, contract document. If this video is helpful, please click like it and see you soon with the next tutorial.